The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. More life, avoid mountain view at this time. Be a gunshot of fire, lone gunshot of fire. Over 7 minutes gunshot of fire. Yeah man, mountain view, black off, be a police and gunman in a shooter, rifle shot like crazy. Yo, in a normal out there, me I tell you, the man them avoid mountain view. Please and thanks, so you walk go, me I tell you. Boom, now me I tell you, some go buck up in this. Be a car, me see a turn off and turn back in the middle of the road and bag something. John Star, yo, me I tell you, it's normal. Walk go on that Friday, man, yeah, man.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Seriousskilla. Now there has been reports that shots have been fired at the Mountain View area, viewers and subscribers, and this violence has escalated to the point to where the Jamaica Constabulary Force had sent out a warning to the public to avoid the Mountain View area. Now this had happened on Friday the 4th of October 2019, and there is also a report that one person had been killed. Now viewers and subscribers, it has been said that the flare-up of violence within the Mountain View area had started because of rival gangs, like there's a feud between the rival gangs. Now viewers and subscribers, there's a video that's out on social media that's a very small video that gives you somewhat of an idea of what had been taking place within the Mountain View area, and this video went somewhat viral. It is a very short video, viewers and subscribers. In this video you will hear shots being fired. Now take a look, listen and observe. Alright viewers and subscribers, there you have it. Shots being fired at Mountain View, that is Mountain View of St. Andrew, Jamaica. Alright, and you don't know me, Dancehall, they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what go on. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall, uno big up on yourself. You see it.